lot of people have been asking me, how do I make a lot of amazing video like this? Today we're going to take a look at the background of CapCut, and we're going to make a video just like me, not just writing on the board. We're just going to go backward and see what's in. Okay, are you ready? Let's walk through sometime videos using a whiteboard. You see me writing on it. Okay, I have a stand that I use to make a video. Here's my stand where I put my phone at this point. See this point, and make sure it's fix the screen. Okay, so I should just fix the board. See, I take a look at the light. There's a light in here. Why use it? Okay, it's just a common light. You can use a light to light the surface so that everything should be clean. And you standing here, you can hide perfectly. Okay, my stand is just local. You can buy a tripod, but for the moment I'm using something local. Design, home. You can get this in the market at 6,000 or like $10 here. You can get this at $10 and use it to make videos. It's half a, that's this torch you can, but you need a battery. For the moment I'm not having battery. You can have this torch to increase the light focusing there. That's how everything happens. And from there you can write and make nice and amazing videos. Okay, when you're using PowerPoint to make a video, you have to take a look first of all at the slide. The format of the slide, I'll take the dark screen. Okay, here's the dark one. Take it to dark screen. Use it to make my videos. Then click on it. You're going to choose the style of the slide and create. Okay, I choose this one and create a new slide. Okay, at this level, you are going to choose to remove everything here. Okay, I'm going to remove the template. Let's choose it. Okay, just border. Okay, choose the style of template. I'll choose an empty one that is completely empty. Okay, then from here, I can just use it directly and duplicate this slide. I'll duplicate it. Just duplicate here. Okay, duplicate. I'll duplicate or I'll use Control B. Okay, using Control B, you're going to duplicate. My keyboard is disturbing. I can just duplicate a lot of it. Depending on the length of a video, you can make a lot, like 20, 30, 40, and more. Okay, that's not our cup of tea. Do the duplication and save it as a default slide for videos. Okay, we are already having a dark screen. We can modify it. The level of creation here, up here. You can choose a creation and modify it, changing the style of the color, maybe intensify the dark color. At this point, you can choose it here. Okay, and modify it depend on you, or you can choose here. Depending on what you want to attain, you can make it thing that's easy, or if you want to do on a white background, you can choose a white here, or any other color of your choice. Okay, you're having it done. Okay, in first case, you can build a PowerPoint. That will depend on you. To build a PowerPoint, normally you click on Insert. You're going to choose equation. Yes, for mathematics, you choose equation. You can choose randomly an equation here and you insert it. Okay, I do it. Okay, choose one. Hope you know how to use PowerPoint mathematics. I'll drop a video on it. Another video here is just to show you how to make video like me. Okay, you can click here, A is equal to pi, and here you have the equation. Okay, you can increase the size of it, which depends on you. You can increase the size, something bigger, and from here you see you can make videos. Example, I want to make on function. I'll just modify this to function and drop subsection, and every point I'll build a PowerPoint for it. Okay, and every section I'll build it. Then when making my video, I'm going to display. That is not the purpose of this video. Okay, when done with this, you can now display it. To do it, you come down here, check it here, come down here and click here. I'm going to display it. Okay, that's the PowerPoint. That's it. Then since you have already this inside, so scrolling alone, okay, if you have already done the PowerPoint, you can just display and be explaining like a is equals to pi r square and so on and so forth. You can do that. Or in the other case, like me in my videos, I make it without doing that. What I do is I write myself. You are going to choose this pen. Okay, in that your case, I prefer using a touch screen PC because this one is not touch screen. If you have a touch screen, you can just write through X here and so on and so forth. I'm going to show you how it happened with my keyboard. It will not be really nice. Example, I write through X, maybe +1. You see, it will take a lot of time using a keyboard. That is why it's advisable using a touch screen PC. It's equal to maybe 0. Okay, that is something normal. Okay, but taking in look that is how it look like. Is how it look like. Okay, and to write maybe I will use they are blue, red, it will depend on you. Okay, using the blue, I can write a factorization through X. Okay, plus Y is equals to 0. Okay, having this, you can continue doing it yourself, and then when you are done with this slide, you can switch to the next slide, and do it. Okay, without forgetting the parameter, you have to record the screen. You're not going to be holding a phone like me. No, you can record your screen. And to record the screen, there are a lot of applications you can use. Okay, for screen recorders, you have a lot of apps you can use to record the screen. I'm going to drop it in the comment section of this video. The first comment I'll ping, I'll drop all the information. We'll check the description where I'll drop all the software and application you can use in making videos like editing, screen recording, and all the apps. Just check the comment section. I'll drop it here, and just drop also your comment if you like this video. You can use an external mic or use the original mic of your phone, but preferably since the mic of the PC is weak, I usually use that mic for my phone and hold it closer to my mouth at the same time doing a video while I'm recording. Then I try aligning when editing. Okay, this is done. Let's save it. Okay, editing videos like me, I usually use CapCut. Here's CapCut, my phone. Okay, CapCut is one of the best in video editing. I will just click. Okay, you create a new project. Okay, for the moment, I can just use something that was already there. You create a new project and import all your images here, plus the vocals. Okay, let's take like this one. Okay, I've lost this size. Okay, I can add an image here. Let's consider this video. Okay. Oh, let's start back from 0 by importing a new project. We take this it by import. Okay, and here is it. See, here is the video. We can modify. We don't have much to modify unless removing the section that are not considered. Let's put the volume. This nice SAT math equation to solve. To simplify this. In case you want to cut a section, you can just click on this split and remove it to delete. Okay, and so on. You can cut a section. You can increase the volume. Okay, for CapCut, I think you increase the volume to maximum. It depends on you. It's quite easy because if you take a look at the answer, you're going to see a square. And what comes into mind at the first time is what? Trying to factorize this out. Usually, factorizing this adjustment, so it should automatically give a brightness to the video. Automatically. Okay, at this level brightness, I don't care. Clarity, I increase the clarity a bit. So the video should be really good. Then, at this point, clarity, I usually take into consideration this section, this one. Should take it into consideration because that is one of the crucial points. Okay, then at the level of clarity, I increase it to the maximum, making the video really clear and amazing. You can add effects and all those stuff. It will depend on you. CapCut is free for the moment. You can use it, the free version of it. No need to pay CapCut before using. You can use a free version and it's okay. You can maybe add a text on the screen. By clicking here, you can hide what you want. and put it there and increase anything you want. Okay. You can add an audio. If you have an external audio, you can add it here. Moving on to sound. Okay, you're going to here, you're going to browse in your phone device. Okay. In your device, you're going to browse any sound of your choice, or you search here and have it. Okay, that is how everything happened. It come out of this. Okay, there's a text I just added. You can add another text here. Okay, there are a lot of functionality about CapCut. I will not give you everything now. You have to do some research on how to edit videos with CapCut. That is not the purpose of this video. Okay, you can add anything, maybe function, subscribe to the channel, anything of your choice. You can add it here and use it. Okay, hope everything is cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. See you in the next video, guys.